Hey guys, I got something new for the Gladiator. It's a armrest storage organizer from JOYTUTUS. So they sent it to me to review, and I think it's actually going to be pretty cool because it's just what my wife was actually wanting for the thing. Take it out of plastic here. Made to fit in your armrest storage for the Jeep Gladiator or Jeep JL. They're both the same, so it should fit in either one of them. It's got a place to hold coins. It's got a place you can carry your sunglasses. You can carry all kinds of stuff in here. I mean, actually, you can, which we do. We carry like a aspirin bottle, carry some Exeter Mo with us or something. We take some medicine, we carry it in here. We can carry our sunglasses in here. It's got a place to put coins in here because there's really not even a good place in the Gladiator or the JL to put coins, so at least now we got a place. So let's go ahead and stick this inside and see what it looks like. Alright, so in here in the Gladiator, if we open up the top compartment, you can see there's a little bit of storage here, which is pretty handy. And if you pull the bottom lever, you can actually open up that and see the bottom storage, which we do have some antacid down there. Okay, didn't know there was anything in there. But the problem with this is if you put stuff in the bottom, you don't want to fill this thing completely full because every time you want something, it's always in the bottom. So we thought it would be great to have where we can put some stuff in the bottom, put some stuff in the top. We can just lift the tray out and be able to get to the stuff in the bottom without having to dig for everything every time. And you can't just throw coins down in there because where are they going to be under all that mess? So let's see how this thing fits. Looks like just like this. So yeah, that actually fits absolutely molded perfect fit. So you can put your stuff in here. If you need to get to the stuff in the bottom, just raise it out. Get to your stuff in the bottom. Stick it back in there. Absolutely a perfect fit. So we can stick coins in here. We can stick some glasses in here. We can stick all kinds of stuff in there. That will be super nice. Then we just shut this part down, shut our top down. We can open up just to this section. Perfect. Okay, as we can see, I put some stuff in there, put some keys in there. Perfect for change. Got our medicine, some allergy medicine, some headache relief, and some sunglasses in there. So how cool is that? Then all we got to do, we want to get to the stuff on the bottom, is just raise this out of here and we get right to the bottom. Now that is pretty nice. So click thumbs up. I'll put the link below. Subscribe to my channel. Catch you on the next one, guys. Right on.